In today's video, I am going to teach you how to download and install Adobe Dreamweaver. By the end, you'll have Dreamweaver up and running and know exactly what to expect along the way. Start by heading to the official Adobe Dreamweaver page. Always make sure you are on Adobe's actual website so you avoid any look-alike pages. On the Dreamweaver page, you'll see options to start a free trial or to buy. Choose the one that fits your needs. The free trial is great if you want to test the software before committing, and you can switch to a paid plan later if you decide it's right for you. Before you proceed, it's a good idea to make sure your computer meets the basic system requirements and that you have a reliable internet connection. Since you'll be downloading installation files. Next, you'll sign in with your Adobe 499. If you already have one, just enter your credentials and continue. If not, you can create a new account in a minute or two by providing standard details. Depending on your region and the offer, you may be asked to add billing information even for a trial. That's normal and helps activate the trial period. Keep your login handy, because Adobe will use this account to manage your apps and licenses. If you are prompted to install the Creative Cloud desktop app, go ahead and download it. Creative Cloud is Adobe's hub that manages installing, updating, and launching your apps, including Dreamweaver. Open the installer you downloaded and follow the on-screen prompts. You might be asked to allow the installer to make changes to your device. Approve that so it can continue. Give it a few moments to complete. Having some free disk space and keeping your laptop plugged in can help avoid interruptions. Once Creative Cloud is installed, open it and go to the Apps tab. In the list of available apps, find Dreamweaver and click Install. Creative Cloud will handle the download and setup automatically. You'll see a progress indicator, and you can keep working on other things while it runs in the background. If you are on a slower connection, just be patient and let it finish. When the installation completes, click Open right there in Creative Cloud to launch Dreamweaver. The first launch can take a bit longer as it initializes. If you are prompted to sign in again or accept license terms, go ahead and do that. After a moment, Dreamweaver will open and you'll be ready to start building and editing websites. That's it. Thanks for watching.